In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Webflow tutorial. Easiest way. Start by heading to your Webflow account and opening your list of sites. From there, go to your project's dashboard. This is where you can access all the project settings. But what we want is the designer, so click Open in Webflow to launch the design canvas. Once the designer loads, open the Navigator panel on the left. The Navigator gives you a clear, structured view of your page's elements, which makes it much easier to select the exact section you want to work with. Find and select the section you plan to hide. For example, a hero section at the top of the page. You'll see it highlight on the canvas so you know you've got the right element. With the section selected, look over to the Style panel on the right and locate the Layout display controls. You'll see options like Block, Flex, Grid, and None. These control how the element behaves in the layout. Selecting Block is the standard setting for most sections. Flex arranges its children flexibly in rows or columns, and Grid gives you a grid-based layout. For hiding the section entirely, choose None. When you click None, the section is removed from the layout, which means it won't take up space or be visible on the canvas. You may notice the element highlight change to confirm the update. If you want to verify the behavior or bring the section back temporarily, you can switch the display back to Block. The section will immediately reappear exactly where it was. Then, to hide it again, set the display to None once more. This quick toggle is handy while you're testing or comparing layouts. A couple of tips as you do this. First, keep an eye on your current breakpoint at the top of the designer. Display settings like None can be applied per breakpoint, so make sure you're hiding the section where you intend, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile. Second, remember that display. None removes the element from the document flow, so any interactions or animations targeting that section won't run while it's hidden. If you need it visible again later, just return to Block, Flex, or Grid, depending on how you originally structured that section. That's all there is to it. Open your project, use the Navigator to select the right section, and in the Style panel choose None under Display to hide it. Restore it anytime by switching back to Block and then repeat as needed. Simple.